My grandfather was a lecturer in a private school in China. In his philosophy, knowledge is the best thing than everything else, which is now in my mind ever since. When I was young, I saw this TV commercial from Unilever, how the products of Unilever impact on people's daily life. This somehow touched me, made me feel one day I also want to do something similar which can impact and change people's life. At the DSM, we are developing an anti-reflective coating system which can reduce the reflection of light on glass. For example, in solar cell panels, we can increase the transmission of light, which eventually will enhance the efficiency of the solar panel. My hope is that one day, if we apply our coatings everywhere all over the world, from Africa to South America to China, then we will have less needed for resources like coal and oil, which we will have less conflict